Good afternoon. We are the members of the group Swabhava. I am Vidhan.
I am Sai Prasud. I am Pratik. I am Pradyumnan.
I am Rudu.
And we have come up with an efficient and sustainable monorail powerhouse system.
This is a miniature model of a monorail system which yields enough energy to supply the power system. It uses electromagnetic energy from Cherenkov radiations.
By considering the efficiency of acceleration and deceleration, we can use eddy currents. Using this, we can bring a lid to the table considering the most train accidents occur due to inefficient braking systems, which is more efficient.
And the physics of it is very simple as it uses Cherenkov radiation, which is a kind of electromagnetic radiation that can be harnessed using an RF cavity resonator and thus be used for running the whole monorail power supply system. With other safety measures such as using a heat chamber and a dielectric, we have made sure that this causes no hazard or poses no threats to people working in the given institution.
This idea was conceived in a structural manner as we wanted to improve the conditions faced by the passengers during the monsoon, and also we also included the milestone of not using fossil fuels in our journey. Thank you.
This is the proposed model of the monorail power supply system, and this is the energy input source, and it ultimately travels through this and solar energy gets transferred. This is where the whole Cherenkov radiation happens. As you can see, this has a lot of insulation and is surrounded by heat protocol by protocols such as a heat chamber and a dielectric, which we can see here, and is then passed through an RF cavity resonator to yield enough energy. And it passes through this to release energy, and it goes through the transformer to convert AC to DC currents and can be harnessed for direct use in the railway station. And in conclusion, this monorail power supply system not only accounts for the challenges people face while traveling during monsoons without efficient transport and reliability, and using this we can make sure that Indian Railways, one of our country's greatest financial assets, progresses forward into the future. Thank you.
Thank you.